This is the beach. Stretching about 90 to 80 to 90 meters from this portion. Going to the north, this is the western side of the beach. Going to the pins on the north. On the north boundary of that. On the north side is the boundary of the lot, adjoining lot with the fence and interlink. A big trees as a windbreaker or a good shade for the beach. And this is the this is the boundary of fence on the north side. This fence is going to the eastern side with interlinks. This is good to defend the this is the front. This fence is stretching from this point going to the national highway about almost 80 also length.